So, mic is not on. आवाज Mic.
Hello. Yeah, good evening everyone. Thanks for coming. So we're here to announce the dates of our carnival in Summer Square. The 10th of Feb is the day of the carnival. The route will be exactly the same from Patava to Kalapati to the minister has already announced also. One special occasion also is Mr. Francisco Martin. It's his 50th year of designing floats. Now he's been recognized nationally and internationally also as one of the prestigious float makers also. So we will be honoring him and facilitating him on that day. So it's a very special occasion for all of us. Now Samba Square will be on in the same venue on the same dates from the 10th to the 13th. So we've booked all of the top bands of and yeah, the last day also will be Red and Black by Club National, sorry. And yeah, any questions? So on the 11th, basically we have, so 11th is one of our main days, and on that day we basically have Queen. So that's one of, it's like an internationally recognized band. They played for audiences of 10,000 to 20,000 people also. So they will be one of the highlight bands for our entire
So route is the same, no?
Just exactly the same. The location of Samba Square also is exactly the same. There is no change in any of that.
What is the number of floats that you have?
So it will be on the last. So the screening will happen on the day of the carnival. So depending on how many participants. Some will be the same as last year also. How many participants that we have. Yeah, so applications, we're accepting applications from tomorrow till the 5th of February.
Categories?
No, categories will be the same. Yeah, so the format will be basically the same.
What about the Queen and the King?
That tourism will be, that's tourism. So tourism will have their first float followed by the CCP float and everybody else.
Last year is the bikes noise pollution so same thing
Yeah, so traffic on that day, traffic and pollution control.
the
floats are the same. And pollution control, you will speak to them and see what issues.
Yes,
That we will clarify.
RTOs will come.
Yeah, so they will come for their on that day to clarify and see what issues are there.
Floats themes theme. Floats.
What are the themes for the
That
floats?
tourism will decide the
Tourism.
yeah.
This is as far as
So ours will basically going to be the CCP float. That is it. And the rest will be from all Goa.
but after this carnival, even then it will be Shigmo as far as what we know. So any issues as far as the city or the works which are going on because of that or anything like that? It may be from outside or inside. Anything you all are facing or what it is?
See, the main road is as of now also we'll have to check and see what the situation will be for the smart city roads also. If any adjustments have to be made, we will sit and discuss it with the committees and everything. As of now, there's no decision that we'll sit with the shipping committee and make that.
during Carnival time how the traffic will be diverted.
That again also now we will have to sit with traffic police station. Now they also have given us full support. They will make all the arrangements.
Because right now the issue is about the
That's the rules of law, etc.
Why I'm saying is that every time then suddenly whatever they do and then the blame will come on you, especially CCP.
So before that,
So before that only I'm
yeah.
saying.
So before that, we will take the traffic police. Also, we will take their assessment. But as we have faith that they will decide.
So everything will be smoothly done.
No issue. Thank you.
Okay.